Hi everyone, Happy New Year for all. Hope you had great holidays. So today another great mechanical keyboard from Logitech. This is a G512 SE which you can buy for 50 bucks. So let's see what's in the pack. So this is a RGB and there's a Roma G blue switches, and this has another USB port, and the Logitech says it's craft grade 5052 aluminium, so it could be probably a marketing gimmick, but definitely it's aluminium, but I don't know about the aircraft grade. So let's open up this and see what's inside. Let's open this up. This is the keyboard. Let's put this aside and see what's in the box. And this is the paperwork, a Logitech sticker, and some more paperwork, and that's all. This is plug and play monitor, so keep those aside. And this is the keyboard. Let's remove. Okay, so first of all, this is the keyboard cable. Yeah, this is the keyboard cable, and this is for the USB cable that powered up this USB port. Let's open up this and see. This keyboard has some weight to it, and it's premium quality. Yeah, and definitely this aluminium giving more premium quality to this keyboard, and no bending at all. No bending, it's much sturdy. And there are the placing parts, and another routing part for your headphone, so it's not tangled up from the keyboard itself, so it's nice addition. It's look more sturdy. Let's plug this and see how it goes. So I have plugged this into my laptop, and this is the default color pattern, which is a rainbow. And as I said, this is looks very nice. So let's check the sound, little bit of typing and how the keys sounds. The keys has nice clicky sound, and this keyboard is the Roma G switches. Use Roma G switches, and I don't know how this. I don't know, guys. You can see this. It says long. I don't know. I don't know whether you can see this. It says long. Anyway, this is Roma G blue switches. So using the Logitech's LIGHTSYNC software, you can customize all these keys, and these all keys are per key lighted, so you can assign different colors for different keys, and those function keys are also programmable through Logitech software. So let's see what are the other color patterns this keyboard includes. So I have installed the Logitech's G-Hub software. So currently the presets are off, so let's cycle through the presets that's pre-included in the software. So this is the fixed, so it's a fixed color. You can change it to any color you like, and this is the cycle. It changes the rainbow colors, and this is the color wave, and this is similar to what is the default settings. The breathing effect, light goes and it goes back and coming on, so you can change the color as well. And this is the ripple effect, and when you click the keys, it gives some nice ripple to it. And this is the echo press. The keys you pressed turn into blue color, and you can change those two colors as well. And there are some animations as well. This is the contrasting. It's light up this part in different color, and this number pad is another color, and the function is from another color. Looks nice. And there are lightning effect. You can see some keys are light up in a different light blue shade. So there is another ocean wave effect. So it's like wave coming on and wave goes back into the sea. This is red, white and blue, so the colors cycle through those colors. And this is vertical. And this is the free color. You can choose any color for this, and you can assign different colors for different keys as well. And that's it, guys. This is originally it's 99 bucks, but currently it's 50 bucks. You can buy this from all major retailers like Amazon, Best Buy. We'll put all the links in the description, so make sure to check this out. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. And until then, for the next video, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.